If you're constantly trying to get in front of new clients, growing your audience so that you can be seen by more and more people, you might just be falling into a common marketing trap, and it often only creates a vicious cycle that wastes a lot of time and a lot of money. Hey y'all, Savannah Bell here with My Massage World, where I give business advice and strategies for the real world. And in the real world, the key to great marketing is to be efficient in your marketing, not just get in front of more and more people. So what I mean by this is, let me just give you a super basic example. Let's say you go to an event and get in front of 100 people. Great. If only one of those people books with you, you still got one, but it's maybe not so great depending on the investment of time and money into that event. If 5 of those people book with you, you were a whole lot more efficient with that time and money, and your return on that investment is much higher, right? Pretty simple. We want every, or at least most of your marketing efforts to give you that 5% booking instead of that 1%. Okay, it's that kind of concept. Simple enough? So first, it's pretty important to understand what percentage of your audience is an active part of your clientele. So how many of those Facebook or Instagram followers have actually had an appointment with you in the last 6 months to a year? How many people on your email list are coming in for appointments? How many website visitors are converting into paying clients? Knowing this will give you a better understanding of what you can expect from your marketing efforts, and therefore a starting point to setting the goal to improve that number. If you can increase this percentage, that means your marketing is getting more effective. You see, a lot of people fall into the trap of constantly trying to get in front of new people, growing their audience all the time. And while that's not necessarily a bad thing by any means, your focus should primarily be on 2 things. Number 1, ensuring your audience is made up of solely your ideal clientele. And number 2, making your marketing as effective and efficient as possible to those ideal clients. Constantly trying to grow your audience means that you're basically starting over with each addition or change, so to speak, and likely spending more money, time, and effort laying the groundwork of brand awareness as well as trust and authority building to all those new people. It's a cold audience, one that doesn't necessarily know who you are, what you do, and why they would want anything to do with you in the first place. You have to educate them on all of that stuff first before you ever even think of selling to them. So instead, focus more effort on effective marketing to your existing audience. It's a far more efficient use of your time and money, just like it costs a lot less to get an existing or previous client to book again than getting a totally new client on the table for the first time. The same goes for your audience that you already have seeing your content. Make your content better and your marketing more efficient. And yes, scrap those people who aren't your ideal clients from your audience and build the audience that you can be the most effective with. And before I go, what might help you set those goals and keep you on track to actually achieve them is our 2022 business planner. It's available right now. Keep up with appointments, marketing plans, track all of your key performance indicators like your rebooking rate and profit per session, all kinds of other stuff. It is customizable, it is rearrangeable, so you can it can work for pretty much any massage therapist, especially solo business owners. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to check us out over at mymassageworld.com. Follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Sign up for our emails, join our Facebook group, and keep an eye out for updates, business tips, free content, and all kinds of other goodies to help you grow your massage practice. See you next time.